Plant Hire is a family business based in North Wales, servicing Wales, Wirral, Cheshire and Shropshire. We've grown to become a respected limited company, offering a growing range of plant and equipment for hire, including tracked mini and midi excavators, dumpers, rollers and telehandlers. Every item of machinery is thoroughly cleaned, serviced and goes through a detailed quality control check between hires. We promise fast delivery and competitive rates, and if you need an operator for test holes or exploratory work, we're here to help. We have two types of transport vehicles, both specifically manufactured from new by Andover trailers who specialise in plant hire body trucks. Our smaller, compact vehicle is capable of transporting plant and equipment to small and narrow restricted areas, whilst still offering an impressive payload of 8 tonnes. Our larger vehicle is capable of a payload of 18 tonnes. It has a double beaver tail with folding split ramps, providing the extra facility of reducing the load angle and allowing extra low ground clearance machinery to be transported. Our dedicated, long-established team of experienced employees cater from the smallest of jobs to large refurbishments and repairs. Over the last 20 years, with our modern purpose-built workshops, we've established a strong working relationship with many local, regional and national companies. You can visit us on our site in North Wales, Cheshire border, where we have a workshop ready to assist you, or we can do site call-outs for all plant and machinery repairs or refurbishments. So, for more information, contact our friendly team today.